Welcome to Bina's kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Andhra style chili chicken. For that I have taken half kg of chicken, 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Here I have taken a total of 18 to 20 chilies. In that 10 chilies have been sliced. I have taken 10 chilies and a little of water. Now I'm going to grind it. Now I'm adding some oil. Now I'm adding the grinded chili. Now I'm adding sliced chilies. Keep sauteing for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the chicken to it. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding vinegar. Now I'm adding soya sauce. Now close it for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding little water to the corn flour. Now I'm adding half glass of water to cook. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Now I'm adding corn flour. Now the chicken is cooked properly. The chili chicken is ready now. So finally chili chicken is ready. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.